In today's video, I'm going to teach you how make Google Calendar to productivity. We're going to turn your calendar into a clear, reliable system that shows you exactly what to do and when to do it, so your week runs smoothly without constant decision fatigue. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars, then choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for the main areas of your life, like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a distinct color. This simple setup makes your week visually organized at a glance. You'll instantly see how balanced your schedule is, and it becomes much easier to protect time for what matters. Pick colors that stand out from each other and keep them consistent over time so your brain learns them fast. Next, fine-tune your defaults so the calendar works the way you think. Open Settings, then Event Settings. Choose a default event duration, like 30 or 60 minutes, so new events snap to a useful length. Add default reminders, such as 10 minutes and 1 hour before, and decide whether you prefer email or pop-up notifications. These small defaults prevent missed tasks and reduce the clicks you make all day. Now, time block your day. Instead of keeping a long to-do list, give each task a home on your calendar. For example, schedule 8 o'clock to 9 a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock p.m. for client calls, and 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. Name them clearly, keep them realistic, and if something overruns, drag and resize the block rather than letting your plan fall apart. Make routines automatic with recurring events. Click any event and set it to repeat. Good candidates include weekly planning on Sunday night, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym schedule. This locks in your priorities and saves you from rebuilding the same week over and over. Protect your attention using focus time, which can block meetings automatically, and out of office, which declines meeting invites for you. If you use task, integrate them so action items appear on your calendar and don't get lost. Sync everything across devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, turn on notifications, sync with Gmail, and connect your video tools like Zoom or Meet. Meeting invites from email will appear on your calendar without extra effort. Finally, use event descriptions wisely. Add a short agenda, notes, links to Zoom or Google Docs, and a simple checklist. Keeping context inside the event means everything you need is in one place when it's time to work. Follow these steps and your calendar becomes a trustworthy system that drives real productivity every day.